fata ba komai na faɗa mama ba za ta yarda da magana ta ba yaya zan yi Allah na kawo kukana komai na gani.
How do you like it? You did like it, get some kind style.
You don't know nothing, man.
Nothing.
If you fought for me, I will transform your life. Like the transformation agenda.
Oh, yeah.
In Dubai, for example, others in Dubai will see you.
That's how we do like egg roll.
For latest yarns and tori from your Sempe programs waiting on top Wazobia TV, waka like Hokogan, enter Twitter at Wazobia TV NG. What do you wait for?
Shey you dey stay for Lagos, shey your house, compound or yard need repair, but you no get money to repair am? Shey you go like make the little people come help you? Oya, share your story with us for LP2 Rescue at we-tv.tv. Make your mind rest, selele. The little people fit come to your rescue.
Welcome to the night show today. My name is Nanedu _ Katim Day here.
Hala! Are you with me? She! They don't know nothing. We're going to tell them something. And if you're not there, get out of here. Illegal.
Save up. That is it. So, as they do today, we're going to start the show on a very nice level. It's a bit there, the other side. Everybody wears suit and tie. Oh, no, no tie, but suit. All joined. Suit. Need waiting be different between jacket and suit.
Jacket and suit. Jacket and suit. I'll answer you later.
Okay. So, so made them tweet their answer or what?
Difference between jacket and suit, yes.
Okay, send us on a tweet message. What's the difference between jacket and suit?
But please, if you are from United Kingdom,
yes.
When I watch our United Kingdom yesterday, Radical 7-7.
We see all of our tweets. Sorry, say we not feel read.
Sorry, say we not feel reading our tweets yesterday. We see all of our tweet messages.
My brother, una wicked.
Some say in name be like warfare. God, you will not make heaven.
Hi.
You that said
who
that
said
thing.
it? You know you are safe. Mam for them, head of God for them, mam for them, who will make heaven. In other words, I be back a waiting list. In other words, I be back a rest.
I be back.
Yes, a waiting list. Give me back. Today, our chochotori, my God.
Now, you see, if I tell and I say what don't come to an end, maybe now some of our way did the rapture never carry because we get first, we did first list for rapture list.
Yes.
We don't heaven already because some just did the wait while I wait time here before we go. I don't know if you are with me. Now. One girl want to do her 18-year birthday.
Yes.
And mama
decide.
Well, come sit down, come think. Say, what am I going to give to my daughter? He not think well. He think of shoes. Say no, Louboutin.
Yes.
I'm not going to give her Louboutin.
No,
he think of iPhone 6 Plus or iPhone 12. One you go think more now, you go say iPhone 12. He not give him. Something come take up her head. Bang!
He goes. He be like say, you know, wow moment.
The woman go buy cocaine and give her daughter for her 18th year birthday.
Okay, now define cocaine.
Cocaine is that thing. It's white. People used to take it. Some artists in Nigeria here take it. I don't want to call their name. Others artists that when they go on stage, they'll now be shouting and jumping off stage. Some of them will even fall stage. I will now call their name.
Yes.
That thing there is like a salt. All they can do.
I know, it's like powder.
Powder, thank you. It's salt like white now.
Powder
it's
and
like
salt
powder.
mixed together.
They'll put it here like I want to. Don't let it. They'll not let it. Hey, Isimo. Then some they'll put it in one straight line.
Yes.
They'll not clean their nose.
Then they say first, finish.
I take no say first.
No, I just, as according
but how
to,
you take no of this
no,
thing?
according to as you talk now, I just
How you take no this
no, I get the epiphany. You just we they communicate spiritually, otherwise mentally, emotionally, everything.
Then
otherwise.
they'll come put them for straight line.
Yes.
They'll come put them like this.
They do.
Come finish them. When they come finish them, then their head gonna shake like a robot.
Okay, maybe another thing they do is it that time when they shake.
No, easy bit own. Easy bit not take okay good now. Easy bit now Lipton tea and papa leaf. Lipton and papa leaf. Papa leaf we don't dry, they will come grind them. Now easy bit they take. If you take okay, you don't die now. This one. This one when they say normal hug, you not feel hug person. You can't take okay.
Yes, then when you do and finish, you can use palm kernel oil.
For in there hair.
Yes.
You can't smell like idiot. Like cat wey just do abortion. You know a cat wey just abortion dey look. But you never see cat wey come outside from DNC. You don't see cats wey do DNC. When they come outside, na so your face dey be. Anyway,
please define what keep you young every day. Some people is the diet. You know?
Our guest, Lolade Cole. She say her what thing they keep her, she talk within the help skin.
Okay.
And all those things. And all those things where she did do. Photographer and
ECB don't die today.
Now. You got one woman.
No more ask him first.
What do you feel say they keep person young?
No, they keep him young.
What do they keep you young?
Keep him young.
You so now. What is it? Because last year.
The secret?
Why I know you? Last 2 years.
Yes.
Now so your face still be.
Yes.
Your face never wrinkle.
Bam.
Your hair just still there, Jericho. What is that thing where you they do? Where they keep you young?
Secret element.
Thank you.
Where is it?
Well, I did work out.
Yeah.
And I eat good food.
Yeah.
And, I did stay healthy. So
what did be good food?
I don't know.
No, my sister.
No,
we have to see. You see, eh? You see, eh? Look, Economan die. Economan is going to bury it.
No,
we know how we move around. What is the good food you are eating?
Spiritually, emotionally, mentally, and otherwise. Define your good food.
What is the good food?
I take more fruits.
Isn't it they go club?
Yeah, of course I go club.
What did they go do for club?
I go DJ now, you know.
I go tell you where our guest see easy beats.
Hey!
Sanfield! You tell me say you know they go, why not? No, Isn't it lie? Lie, say you know they go, why not?
I go why not now.
You they go, why not?
What's it?
Katim, ask me which people they there for why not?
My brother!
Sanusi Fafunwa ambassadors!
Oh, we talk about our time there.
Bro, all those guys where they do.
Come chop.
Now then, what did they go do for Sanusi? Why not?
We go buy food now.
So you know the kind of food
we run around.
Hold on. My lord.
Yes.
You see?
Yes.
From the first question that I asked this defendant, but I don't know.
All joined.
He said that is food that keeps him young.
Yes.
Now, my lord.
Yes.
The people in Sanusi Fafunwa.
Yes.
Is it not spiritual food they are selling?
In my opinion, they sell spiritual, emotional, physical,
food,
mental food. Yes.
Now, those same people are in why not? Are they not?
Yes.
Now, my brother say he goes to why not to go and eat food. What is the food?
And the LCM of the food, mental,
my
physical,
sister, come and sit
emotional,
down.
and everything
we have you
in
today.
between.
Now, why we talk that one 171 years old woman? Say now, wiping of young boys. Now they keep her young. No, now I can't wonder. Say, how 71 years old woman go take the wipe? Isn't it? You are good in you are fast in this wipe.
No, Isabel is fast in the knowledge of wiping.
Therefore, my lord, I put it to you
that Isabel know the source and the age bracket of these wiping people.
See the woman, she's
You
71 years old though.
Uh-huh.
They ask her, say, why she the young? She na say she dey sleep with young boys.
If you see her for night time, you know go say, sweet baby.
Yeah,
Nah, time for what?
See the collarbone over here.
See the bone. But see for here, you don't go know.
Okay.
You don't go know.
Uh-huh. It says 70. She dey talk waiting they make her young. Send us tweet. What make you young?
Send us your tweet messages
Yes.
now. What thing they make you young?
Yes.
Is it the same thing like the woman? Or you eat the same food? Where is it be they eat? Let us know. Now, another story too. This one I don't understand them. I don't get it. I don't get it. What happened?
Hey, you see me though, I'm not there. And Tony.
What in
Tony Tone.
Is it be this? Hey!
Oh,
I will read it.
yeah, Nedu.
And now my Tony say, is not looking bad. Make him come to America, make I give him one better Igbo man.
What? Finish.
Man.
It's okay.
Kathleen Jenner.
Hey, when did the name go come be now?
No, easy bit don't go be.
They go give her one sweet hot
They
name.
give her one sweet hot name. Maybe hot,
chocolate.
hot, spicy. Now, I beg.
Hot and
We want to watch one video of twerking.
Eh?
When we come back, we will give you the story where they're behind the twerking. Please, can you play that video?
Just watch it very closely.
Watch it closely.
Or
My
what?
sister. And the only one I say make them play.
No, but how they go
But
play
I
one
like
now?
to say them play all of them.
No, so you can
So
differentiate
that we
which one
can drive
minister.
home the point.
Yes, which one minister
Now,
onto you.
one
I
man
don't
for
know.
Saudi Arabia. He and the
Yes,
wife, their house.
Eh.
The countries, walakta litila, walakta, libakta. Hakabakta. Namaste. The man can't come out. Then, his wife can say,
Yes.
yalla. My husband is time to go out. I'm going to play some music. I'm going to dance. Then she come play twerking music. And so she come begin. The husband don't go. Then she begin the dance for house. Twerk. Bam. Twerk. Now so she dey twerk for her. They twerk. She don't know say her husband forget something. Her husband come back. Pick
Go
up
collect your file.
now you come look am. Yalla! My brothers and sisters in the Lord, the man divorced the wife because of say she dey twerk. Of say she dey dance. Now he divorced the wife. It makes sense to you.
No, but maybe see I'm there now. And
See the woman. They don't divorce the woman. Now the woman they dance where they enjoy herself.
No, but who play the music first for her?
Now she play am.
What's in the man talk when she play him?
And the man, because of say she dey dance now, the man divorce am now. Say she dey dance. Say it's not holy. Now he divorce am.
They born children's. How we take they born?
If they ask me now, I dey live with them for house.
No, I just they ask like we two of us they ask questions to ourselves. Now,
The last one before we enter the story of the main story of the day.
No,
Katem talk am. I choose not to say it myself.
Ebo, one day, all of us go enter the coffin that show the kind of work that we do. On Monday, we can't talk that matter. Say fisherman died, they bury him inside the fisherman coven. You know, if our sisters, or
So I need to say from what call them. The
say
Akaraka
ambassadors. Say if they die, waiting they go bury him inside. Now this man, when say him be man of God, in all the world, him no believe say anything fit kill him. You no go believe.
Say the man, they call himself living God for inside Kenya. They know him as living God. Now mosquito killer.
No, Nedu. Why I won't ask people first. Say, what's in the 14? Say this kind of man, waiting go kill him.
Mosquito bite and I kill the man.
No.
Meanwhile,
when they for Kenya, they don't get mosquito.
No, maybe the kind mosquito. You know, it's a case of kind mosquito will be evil mosquito. All those mosquitoes with the gym.
Where they send them come from? Now somebody send them to them.
All those mosquitoes when they say insecticide, no they kill them. Insecticide, no they kill them.
All the spiritual work when they do no kill them.
That kind of mosquito, now in the Bible say this shall not go. This alone can go away by prayer and fasting. Now that kind of mosquito.
Oh, I understand. Oh, what you get young, get and okay, but I'm young. I put prayer and fasting. But young about okay, this one do normal. When you want to come up, Lord Jesus, nobody goes to no Bible. Say you know me. So because of that, I'm fasting, I'm praying. So I for whoop from my life. So he didn't know, and that's his folly. Macarebo folly is not correct.
Foley. No, see, now Foley. Oh, Foley. That guy waiting for Jaconde. Oh, Foley, what you go?
So, now come be him.
Now come being Foley.
In downfall. So, the downfall of a man is not the end of his life, but this one, unfortunately, the downfall became the end of his life.
Anyway, but that's much chicken break when you come back, Lolade, Cameron Cole.
Which kind name be that, Nedu?
Yeah, I don't know.
What did she say she did do again? In the snap photo.
She first the snap photo.
But she no bring the camera now to slap. Which kind? Okay, you no blow.
How you worry yourself? Calm down. Calm down. Is it because this music? Calm down. Okay. You see, when I first enter here, I see her sit down.
You sit down for it?
He dey make up.
Eh?
He dey make up. He can't ask me, do you think I'm handsome?
Yeah, handsome.
I tell her, I say, no. Handsome is for men.
Yes,
pretty or beautiful is for women. Then she goes, say, sorry, do you think I'm pretty? I don't usually do makeup. If they speak English for me. Now I come tell her and say, do you know it is pidgin we speak on this? She say, oh my God.
Yeah.
I'm from United Kingdom.
Yeah,
I'm going to see if I'm going to be able to speak pidgin.
No, we thank the radical 7.
Then her friend will follow and come, her business partner will follow and come. That way look like person will like trouble. That one come tell and say,
okay, when get here full like the Jackson 5 that time.
No worry. With the grab break, will come back.
Okay.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.